Hi you all, this is Teresa and we are doing our little craft segment that we are calling housewarming or home warming crafts with Teresa. And we're so glad that you're joining us, and we have something just really quick and easy for Halloween. And this works out really good, especially with the times that we're in now. And I'm actually making these for my little foster son that has to take something to school. And I found these on a Pinterest thing. And it's just plain gloves. And if you can find them, I was fortunate enough, I found these at Walmart. And I got 100 of them for like $5 and something. And I will use these for our kids' Halloween party. But they do not have the powder in them, so you might want to check that they don't have that powder inside. So just a plain pair of plastic gloves, and I got a bag full of candy, and I actually chose these thinking that they would fit better for the fingers. And there's all, these will stretch a little bit, so there's all different candies you can put in here. This is just what I chose. And you can make them with or without a little ghost face. Here we've got one that I finished up already that I think turned out really cute. And Clint's laughing at me because they look more like a puppy dog than they do a ghost. But, and just whatever you think ghost eyes look like, I guess round. And I'm going to do one in a minute without putting a face on it and see if it looks better. But we'll just do this. But I was thinking with, you can't take any kind of baked goods anymore to school. Everything, used to that was the deal. If your mama took time to bake cupcakes and take to school, you were the stuff all week long. But that's all changed, and you can't do that anymore. So, everything has to be pre-packaged. And I hope everybody's enjoying these beautiful days. We have decided for our family, instead of going out trick-or-treating, we are going to do a Halloween party. And we're fortunate enough, we live on a wooded lot, so we're going to make a little haunted woods and do a pot of chili and scare the kids a little bit. We're going to have a costume party where the adults have to dress up a little bit too. And believe it or not, they're pretty excited about it. I think everybody's just ready to get out a little bit. So, and here's my little face. So I'm just going to start by filling up his fingers. And this would be better if my fingers were not so arthritic these days. But during my little ulcer episode, I'm not allowed to take arthritis medicine anymore. That's very hard on your digestive tract. So I'm just going to have to muddle through with it and use ice packs and heat for now. And I always think of a lady when I complain about mine. We've got a lady in our community, Betty Price, Miss Betty, who she was, I've not talked to Betty in a year, I guess, but she was still working at Greenview every day cleaning houses, and her arthritis had gotten so bad in her hands that they had to go in and do some surgery on her hands. So I try not to complain because I know Betty Price got up and went to work with it every day. So there's always somebody, if we look around, that is surviving what we're complaining about. And I try to do that and not complain too much, except to Mike, and I complain to him all the time. Okay, so there's our fingers. How cute is that? And then we're just going to finish filling him up. Little Twizzlers. I like all of this, but Clint and I were just talking. He said his doctor told him to lose X amount of pounds, and I said, mine told me the same. So, I think those do look better with a little more candy in them, Clint.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, I agree.
And these had little suckers, so I kind of put the suckers, a couple of those, and that's going to help the handle stay up. And this ribbon that I got, remember I got it at Hobby Lobby, this whole spool come together, and I think it was $4.99 with 50% off. So, just cut you a length. And we're going to tie him around here. I hope you guys are decorating your home a little bit. It always makes me feel good and surprises me when my children and my grandchildren come in and they're so happy to see the new little things that we've put up or how we've decorated. And these grandchildren, they know if you don't have something up that's supposed to be there, my little trip will say, where's the witch? Or where's the candy pumpkin? And they know what you're supposed to have up for them. So that, and then I'm just going to trim that off. There we go. So how cute are those? I'm probably going to do a couple without any faces on them, but I'm kind of liking the faces. I think they're cute.
They're cute.
Yeah. So just a little short, easy craft, especially in these times. You don't have to worry about the kids. If you're going to set stuff out on your porch, this would be great. Just to set them out on a tray and the kids could just come up and pick up one and you wouldn't have to worry about that. You could be standing watching them out the window or standing in the doorway. So thank you. Thank you for watching. We've got a few more craft items that we're going to try. For Halloween, we are making part of the stuff or all of the stuff for our haunted woods. I got mannequins today, and I have cheesecloth on the way that we're going to make some cool floating ghosts. And I got trash bags today, and I've been saving milk jugs, black trash bags and milk jugs, and we're going to make dead bodies. I'm so excited. And we have tons of leaves out here, so we're going to fill up the trash bags with leaves, shape them into bodies, and we have plenty of nylon rope that we already have here. So we're going to tie them up and shape them like bodies. So we're excited about that, and hopefully we can do a little video and show you how those things are coming along. Thank you all so much. Thank you for watching. This is Home Warming Crafts with Teresa. So thank you guys, and we're going to talk to you real soon. God bless.